Yes, sir. If my screen is visible, we can. Hello, guys. Welcome you all for this end-to-end session where you guys gonna learn everything that you guys need in order to become a successful data scientist. Hope you guys are enjoying. We are enjoying a lot. Myself and Sarah is enjoying a lot because like every day we are learning a new thing. So that's a major thing. Okay, the same thing for you. I hope. Okay. So one more thing, guys, it's gonna be a year-long program. So we're gonna learn everything that you guys need in order to become a successful data scientist. So one more thing, guys. If you come to the session, as always, make sure you guys watch all the previous session videos so that you can have a better understanding of what we're gonna talk. Okay, and there are 1,000+ quizzes which are available in our YouTube channel. Please make sure that you have attempted. Okay, it can be it can be right or wrong, guys. Just go and attempt. Okay, that's a major thing that you guys first need to have. Okay, so one thing like don't worry about the result. Okay, just go and have a try. Okay, yeah. So without wasting any time, let us jump into today's session. Okay, again I mentioned we are just learning something in a manner of gamified. Okay, reinforcement learning techniques. Okay, so this session we're going to continue the previous session where we have introduced you policy gradient methods. Okay, yeah, today we're going to continue that. Okay, what we are having first means like actor critic architectures. Okay, in the policy gradient methods we are having actor critic architectures. Let's listen to it what it is saying. Actor, the actor network represent the policy and select the action based on the current state. Critic, the critics network estimate the value function, providing feedback to the actor for the policy improvement. Then, what is meant by this synchronized learning? The actor and the critic network learn in tandem with the critic guiding the actor towards the high value actions. Okay, simple. Okay, consider the Super Mario game itself. Okay, why I'm just saying the same game means you guys need to understand in this game manner. That is, this reinforcement learning is all about a gamified version. Okay, let's understand the Super Mario game in the way of actor critic architecture. Okay, who is an actor? I hope like you guys already know, right? In the Super Mario game, the character is an actor. It's gonna take the different action. What is a critic? Critic is what? It gonna say whatever the action taken or took by the character, Super Mario character, this is a wrong thing that you have done. So change the policy in such a manner you're gonna get the high result. That is what entire thing about this actor critic architectures. Okay, hope you guys are able to understand, right? So it's a simple thing, guys. We are having a Super Mario game where the actor is the Super Mario character. It's gonna do some kind of action based on the action. You're gonna get the punishment and reward. Whenever it is doing something which is mistake or something wrong, which is away from policy, this critic tries to create a policy which can make the character to reach the goal such that it is maximizing the rewards. Okay, hope you guys are able to understand. This is a simple logic. Okay, yeah, this is what the actor critic architecture. Let's move on to the next thing. Okay, perfect. Okay, let's see what is this exploration and exploitation trade-off. I hope like this is the fifth time that we are learning this. Okay, previous session also we have learned this. When we started reinforcement learning we have learned this, and then when we move on to something like a bias variance we have learned this. Okay, yeah, again we're going to learn this. So whenever we are learning this for more than 2 or 3 times, it is that much important. You guys need to have a proper understanding of what it is. Okay, let's see. Okay, exploration and exploitation trade-off. Exploration means the agent tries due action to discover the potential better policies at the cost of intermediate rewards. Exploitation, the agent use its current knowledge to maximize the intermediate rewards but risk missing better long-term solutions. Balancing act, policy gradient method must carefully balance the exploration and exploitation converge to a optimal policy. Yeah, that's a major thing. Okay, what the agent will do, it will explore the different action to just explore the entire environment. Exploitation, it will choose the best action but it will not think about the reward, maximum rewards. So what this policy gradient method will do means it tries to balance these two things, that is the exploration as well as exploitation, such that it tries to maximize the rewards as well as it tries to explore all the states there. Okay, I hope like you guys can able to understand. Exploration means it's going to explore the all the environment in the game, the Super Mario game. Exploitation means you're going to select the action which leads to the goal. Okay, so what this policy gradient method will do, it will balance this both exploration and exploitation such that it maximizes the rewards as well as it reaches the goal. Okay, that's it. Okay, it maximizes the reward as well as it reaches the goal. So this is what the major thing for this policy gradient method. Hope I have simplified the things. Okay, again I'm mentioning, guys, it is like very easy one. Okay, when we go for a code, right, it's gonna be very simple. I'm just pretty sure you guys gonna enjoy it. It's gonna not take more than a 5-minute session. Okay, end of this reinforcement, you guys gonna see how this built from a scratch. Okay, so hope till this the theory concept, you guys be ready with the theory concept. Okay, we are here to help you to go for the coding, black box, everything. Okay, just be with us. Okay, yeah, let's move on to the next thing. Yeah, what are the applications of this policy gradient in data science? First is robotics. Yeah, policy gradients enables robots to learn complex control policies for tasks like navigation and manipulation. Yeah, so since this policy gradient method can itself improve and make the reinforcement learning and itself improve the policy, it is very helpful for the robotics field. Yeah, next is recommendation system. Policy gradient methods can optimize recommendation policy to maximize user engagement and satisfaction. Yeah, since we know the pattern of the human, so it is easier for us to build something like a recommendation system. We have a data, collection of data. Based on the data, we will form some kind of policy. Based on the policy, we can create a recommendation system. Data policy leads to a recommendation system. Okay, decision making. Yeah, due to this policy gradient method is used to learn optimal decision making strategies in the areas like finance and healthcare. Okay, before this, okay, data science field, everyone is taking decision without knowing anything. But now, every decision is data driven, which makes feel comfortable whenever we are doing some decision, right? So like whenever we are taking a decision, right, there should be some sort of data which can safeguard us or which can say, yeah, this is true, so take the decision. But in the previous stage, there is not that kind of things. Always there is a fear whether the decision going to be good or bad, whether the decision going to be properly work or not, okay, correct or incorrect. But now we are having a data, even though the decision go wrong, we can say, yeah, these are the data I am having. Based on the data I took the decision. Okay, we will change it. If it is not working, we can change it. Okay, or you would have lost your data, or you have collected your data from a source which is not eligible. Okay, you would have get the data from a source where it is not that much protected or that much valuable. Okay, these things we have teach you for nearly like 30 plus sessions. We have started with working with data, right? So that's everything is correlated. That's the reason we are just teaching you working with data, then machine learning, and then we are just bounding within the machine learning. Okay, we're gonna complete. Once we complete this reinforcement learning, machine learning will be over. Okay, yeah, this is all about the applications of policy gradient in data science, guys. Hope you guys are able to understand. Okay, if you guys doesn't understand, make sure just ping in the comment section. We'll take up and we'll solve your doubts. Okay, let's move on to the next thing. Yeah, challenges and future directions. Sample effectiveness. Improving the data efficiency. Okay, sample data efficiency. Okay, sample efficiency. Improving the data efficiency of policy gradient methods to reduce the need for larger scale training. Yeah, since reinforcement learning do the training by using this policy gradient method, it makes it simple. Whenever there is a problem, it gonna do a policy change and gonna learn again. So like that. So since we are having this reinforcement learning policy gradient method, it doesn't need to work or sit for a larger data to come. Okay, that's a major thing. That's the first thing. Sample efficiency. Interoperability, that is enhancing the interoperability of policy gradient method to better understand the agent's decision process. Yeah, we can able to say, yeah, this is why the agent took this decision. Okay, so without knowing anything, because we are having a data and we know what the agent can do, because due to these things, it is very effective for us to see what is happening. So it makes more interoperability. Okay, safety and robustness, developing policy gradient method that are more reliable and aligned with the human value and preference. Yeah, this is also a major thing. When we are just creating a robot, right, it can do anything. Okay, it can destroy a world also, but we should create some kind of policy. Yeah, this is only limited to these things. The robot should work for this thing. When you are creating a robot to cook something, it should only cook. It should not do anything else. So those kind of control we need to have that are achieved by only using this policy gradient methods. Okay. So this is all about this policy gradient method, guys. Yesterday's session and today's session, we have completed this policy gradient method. Hope you guys have enjoyed the session. If you guys have any doubts, just speak in the comment section. We'll take up and we'll solve your doubts. If you guys stuck anywhere, just know we are here to help you. Okay. And one more thing, make sure you guys watch all the sessions so that you will have a better understanding of everything on continuation. And if you guys till this point doesn't subscribe to our channel, please make sure you guys subscribe to our channel, because like every day we are just uploading a new video, so you guys doesn't miss any of our video. And while subscribing, just push the notification button, so press the notification button so that you will be having notified whenever we are just uploading a new video. And adding on, like we are having nearly 1,000+ quizzes live in our YouTube channel, right? Just go and attend it. It can be right or wrong, guys. So whenever there is a wrong, you just come back and you just learn. So everything is like reinforcement learning, right? So just go there, attend it. If you miss something, come back, learn, and increase your confidence, and then go attend it, and you will get the success. Okay, learn in a manner of reinforcement learning. Okay, so hope you guys have enjoyed the session. So until next session, bye guys, take care. We will all meet in the next session. Bye guys.